Hello everyone, greetings for the day. This is Divya from Trend Brand Preschool. In today's lesson, we will be learning about our sense organ, skin. Before we introduce the lesson to our children, let's quickly do a recap. Children, we have 5 senses. Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin to touch. Right? So today we will be learning about our sense organ, skin. Skin helps us to sense the touch. There are different kinds of touches. We can experience whether it is rough or smooth. We can also experience with the help of our skin whether it is hot or cold. We could also sense the sharp objects. So in this lesson, we will take up some of the examples which makes it easy for all of us to understand the sense of touch. Skin. I touch and feel with my skin. Things may be hard, soft, hot, cold, and even sharp. These are some of the soft things. Cotton, soft toys. Now let's see some hard things. Stones, wood, and toy car. Hot things. Tea and fire are hot. We should not touch them because they can burn us. Cold things. Ice cream can be cold. Sharp things. Broken glass, knife, and scissors are sharp things. We should always be careful when we are touching the sharp things. Quickly do an activity. Now we learnt about so many examples, right? Now I'll be asking you some of the questions and you need to answer them. Look at the images carefully. So we have pillow and we have knife. Now which one feels soft? Pillow feels soft, right? Yes.
Right answer.
Pillows are soft. Let's see one more example. We have a broken glass and we have a woolen. Now which of the thing feels soft, children? Yes, wool is very soft.
Right answer.
Now what about this? Now there is a broken glass and there is a pillow. Now tell me, which is the thing that we should not touch, children? Which is the thing that we should not touch? Yes, we should not be touching the broken glass because it can hurt us because it is very sharp. We should not be touching the broken
Right
glass.
answer.
Now let's take the last example. Now which is the thing that you should not be touching, children? Tell me, should you not be touching the knife or not the wool? We should not be touching the knife because knife is very sharp, right? We need to be very careful and we should not be touching it.
Right answer.
Very good, children. So these were some of the examples for our lesson today. So keep practicing. You can collect any of the objects from your home. Just sensitize and feel the texture of it, whether it is rough or smooth, whether it is hot or cold, or whether it is sharp or not sharp. Children, now let's do the worksheet. Open page number 56 and we will be doing the sense organ skin today. Okay? Write the date and write your name. Fine? Okay. Now let's read the title. We touch and feel things with our skin. What did we learn, children? We learned that the things can be soft or things can be hard. Right? Now just read this. Okay? Now what are the different objects which can be soft? Pillow, cotton, wool, flower, and soft toys. Now these can be soft. Now what can be hard? Stones, toy car, glass, wood, stick. Now these can be hard. And the second thing is like things can be hot or things can be cold, right? So should we touch the hot things? No, you should not touch the hot things. Now what are the different things which can be hot, children? Fire, tea, gas burner or the gas stove can be really hot. So children, we should stay away from the hot things. And what can be cold? Ice or ice water, ice cream, they all can be cold. And the third thing is, children, things can be sharp. So you should not touch the sharp objects like broken glass, cactus, knife and scissors. They can be really sharp. Now these are the three things, children, that you have to remember. Like when it comes to skin or a sense of touch, they can be soft or hard, or rough or smooth, hot or cold, or they can be sharp. Now once we learn this thing, let's do the activity. As I said, write your name and then write the date and move forward. Now what we have to do, look at the title. Mark a cross for the things you should not touch. Children, we have to remember, okay, what are the things that we should not touch? The things which are sharp, the things which are hot. So we should not be touching them. So what we have to do, we have to mark a cross. Broken glass, it's very sharp, right? So we should not touch it. So it's a cross. Flower, we can touch. Knife, we should not touch. Fire, we should not touch. Cactus, it is very sharp, we should not touch. This is toys and this is pillow, so we can touch them. Now what is the next question? We have to write H for things that are hard. When it is hard, write H, hard. And S for things that are soft, so we write S. Okay, stones, is it hard or soft? Hard, so we write H. Wood, hard. Woolen, soft, so we write S. Pillow, yes, it is soft. Cotton, soft. Then twig, it is hard, so you write H. So this was our second worksheet that we are learning. Now go to page number, children. Go to page number 60. Okay. Now in this exercise, we are going to see how to make a popcorn. Okay. Now for popcorn, what is the first thing that we need, children? First of all, you need to put the corn, right? We have to put the corn. So this is the first step. Second, once you put the popcorn onto the stove, we need to switch on the plug. Second sequence. And then what happens, children? The popcorn starts to pop. So this is your third one. And at last, we are now ready to eat the popcorn. So this is our fourth step. So this is what we need to be doing in this our worksheet, where we had to number the pictures in the correct order. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright. So that is our EVS worksheet, children. So by this, we complete all our senses. Okay. So go back to your page number 50. Quickly do a recap. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. We hear with our ears. We taste with our tongue. We touch and feel with our skin. Very good, children. So when we see eyes, we see beautiful things around us. Right? So this is our eyes worksheet. And what did we do next? We learnt about our sense organ nose. We learnt about how smells can be good and how smells can be bad. We also learnt about our sense organ ear, right? We heard loud sounds and we heard soft sounds, right? And then we learnt about our sense organ tongue and the different flavors or the different sense of taste. Sweet, salt, sour, bitter and salty, right? So we learnt about them. We did so many worksheets. And at last, today, we learnt about our sense organ skin. Okay? So this is our sense organ lessons, children. Okay? Keep practicing and learn. Alright? Thank you and have a good day.